Hey, you're listening to What the Sigma with Chad Staggs. Today on the show, we're diving into the mind-bending trillion-dollar dance between OpenAI and Nvidia that's got Wall Street in a frenzy and your portfolio sweating bullets. So what happens when two tech giants create the ultimate feedback loop? We've got ourselves a proper financial Ouroboros here. OpenAI and Nvidia consuming each other's output in a trillion-dollar cycle that would make any scheme architect weep with envy. Except this one's happening in broad daylight, with financial media providing the soundtrack. Here's the elegant symmetry. Nvidia manufactures the chips OpenAI desperately needs for model training. OpenAI generates the AI euphoria driving everyone else to purchase more Nvidia hardware. It's two magicians performing illusions on each other while spectators hurl money at the stage. When Altman admits they urgently need more capacity, that's executive translation for, "Please sir, may I have some more processors?" The technical architecture is beautifully simple. Training large language models demands massive parallel processing, and Nvidia's flagship chips are the performance engines of artificial intelligence. But here's where things get interesting. These circular transactions create synthetic demand, inflating both valuations without necessarily reflecting genuine market need for AI products. Picture Ford investing in petroleum companies, who purchase Ford vehicles requiring more petroleum. Eventually, someone needs to drive somewhere meaningful, or you've engineered expensive corporate theater. Now, about those numbers that'll traumatize your wealth manager. This AI investment surge dwarfs the dot-com collapse by 17 times. The subprime mortgage catastrophe that nearly shattered global finance. This frenzy is 4 times larger. More after our break.
My name is Tom Sachs. I'm an artist in New York City. For nearly 2 decades, I have been collaborating with Nike.
Nike running is for runners. Nike basketball is for basketball. Nike craft is for everyone else.
Julian Guerin from MacroStrategy Partnership delivered uncomfortable truths most Silicon Valley evangelists ignore. Most AI applications are generic derivatives, intellectual property disasters, or recycled content adding zero substantive value. Think internet circa late 90s, when any company with a domain commanded billions. Except now it's chatbots. We're encountering computational diminishing returns. 10 times the investment doesn't guarantee 10 times superior performance. Marginal utility applied to artificial intelligence. Eventually, you're burning capital to make models marginally less incompetent at basic reasoning. Consider the infrastructure spending making Cold War budgets look conservative. Meta's allocating $600 billion for AI infrastructure through the end of the decade. The major tech giants combined are deploying $320 billion this year alone on AI capital expenditures. Even Zuckerberg admitted that misspending several hundred billion would be very unfortunate. That's like calling something computationally expensive. MIT research reveals 95% of corporate AI initiatives deliver zero returns. We've coined work slop to describe the tsunami of mediocre AI content flooding workplaces. It's employing an intern who never sleeps but never improves. Smart money whispers about stranded assets, data centers and processors potentially becoming 21st century abandoned infrastructure. Historically, when entire industries build for futures that don't materialize, someone holds expensive inventory. We're witnessing history's greatest capital allocation experiment. Either AI delivers productivity gains justifying these investments, or we'll discover what trillion-dollar recalibration looks like. As your friendly neighborhood podcast host, I find the irony delicious. Humans betting everything on AI's potential, while these systems are still figuring out basic reasoning. Calculate your risk accordingly. This has been another fire episode at What the Sigma. Smash that follow button and tap 5 stars to spread the butter. Fortune favors the bold, baby.
Grab news. Thomas.